welcome to ELITETV class 2.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Who is Varsha?
I'm Varsha.
Okay.
Hi.
Okay, I've given Maria.
Hi, Varsha.
Welcome, welcome.
A very good morning, my dear beautiful young ladies. My dear girls, the guys, please take your positions. Very good and a hearty welcome on 2023. And today, presence here. We are heartiest welcome. We are all enthralled, excited, on anybody. This view is something that so we hope it's a miracle in their lives. You are all self-empowered women. Who would ever dream that a beauty for me? So we will. Thank you so much. Please take a position for the welcome song. Except whatever.
Little Flower School for having us. It brings back so many memories. Some of the best years of mine were spent in high school. My mom was a teacher for 30 years. She, my little brother, and I would go to the same school, and it was such a blessing and an honor as a family to go together. I just want to tell you, whatever your dreams may be, pursue everything, be it math, be it science, be it arts. Try to do everything, taste all subjects. Don't rush to grow up. Enjoy your younger years. Enjoy your youth. Explore yourself. Listen to your elders. Listen to your parents. At 24 years old, I never thought I'd think back and say, yeah, mom and dad had some of the best advice for me. You know, when you're young, you want to fight with them a little bit and you have conflicting thoughts and opinions. But you're in a wonderful school with great hands, and God is always watching everything that you do. I never thought in a million years that at 24 I'd be in Miss India. This was my first attempt, my first try. But sometimes that key word, trying, you know, you'll be so scared, you'll have so many doubts, you'll have so much of anxiety, you'll have so many inner voices and battles that you have to fight with yourself. But unless you try, you'll never know. And today, my whole entire life has been a culmination of just trying. Back in 2017, my father had a massive heart attack, and I thought that my life was over. You know, financially, we were not doing very well as a family, and things change when you don't have as much as you did once before. Even people close to you just turn a cold shoulder away. But you are the bright futures of your family. No matter what you may go through, you may have a lot, you may have a little, you may have just enough. It doesn't matter. Whatever you do, all glory to God, your family, and yourself. And just try and have faith in yourself. If that's the one thing I can give you, is just believe in yourself, listen to everyone around you, try everything. You want to be a doctor and Miss Universe and Miss World, go for it. You don't have to give up one or the other. You can have everything you put your mind to. Thank you so much for having us. It's been an honor. Thank you.
That is a message. Now, may I invite Nandini Gupta, Miss Femina Miss India Rajasthan 2023.
Everyone, I hope you're all doing well. Thank you so much for arranging everything for us on such a short notice. Thank you so much to all the faculty members.
It's always a pleasure. More than a pleasure.
This school brought me so many memories that I lived during my school years. And like the name suggests, little flowers, you guys are little flowers waiting to bloom. And one day, you bloom like no other. And you gain failures also, but remember that your failures should not overpower you, rather empower you in the best form. No matter what profession you choose, engineers, doctor, just remember that you have invisible crown on your heads. And always keep your chin up, ladies. There is so much more than you ever imagined in your life. Thank you so much.
Girls, you're making me shy. So how are you all feeling, seeing all these beautiful ladies? Feeling good? Feeling bad? What? Feeling good? Yeah! Alright. Thank you so much, first of all, for having all of us here. We really love it over here. And also I would like to thank the faculty members. You guys, you know, really share this really small secret of mine. My sister was an alumni of this school. I don't know if you know, she's your senior of 2010, and she really enjoyed her time here. And coming back to her home, the place that she grew up in, it is really an honor. As Megan and Nandini has already shared, I never got to experience the school life that you guys are having here. Because I was homeschooled, epilepsy, anxiety, I was struggling my own battle, but you are struggling your own here. And I must say, please enjoy the time you have here, because it will never come back. Dream. This is the time that you dream. Look forward to something. When I was lying there in bed, seeing all my friends go to school, experience and have friends, met friends, I was there dreaming of the day that I get to be here. I get to stand in front of every one of you. And I must say, dreams really do come true, guys. One thing that I would want to tell you, there's no one, nothing in this world to tell me that you can be something and you cannot be something. You can be doctors, you can also be Miss World. You can be an engineer, you can also be a singer, an actor. I can tell you there are so many doctors. Look at her, she's a doctor. And she's here representing her state, and we are so proud. When you see her, you see that she's a beauty queen. But she's a doctor, looking after so many patients, giving life to so many others. And look at all of these beautiful ladies. We are here not to show you that we are beautiful. We're here to show you that we had a dream once, we worked for it, and we're here standing. And you can do that. Every one of you here, every one of you can be Miss World, Miss India. Not only Miss India, not only Miss World. You can be anything that you want to be. That is all. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you for having us.
We'll conclude, and the next part of the program will be girls for a short interaction. Except the class 10 girls to play. And class 10, girls, please keep standing. Please keep standing. I'm so sorry, we don't have any plan as such, and things are turning up. We are It was a short visit to us, but we assure you of our prayers, our support in whatever you do. Thank you all so much for paying respect to our school. Please be seated.
Look at here. Okay, thank you.
Arubang ka no?
Stella, Uganda, Femina Miss India, manusia na ko. Activity niya mo matawagan lae sa Manipur. Manipur Uganda mo kanya mo daw ito. Masida kari experience yung gabi aduga masida kena basing kay.
Ahanbada mapanda torokpase akoigi sponsorship kumba dumba anamana tawre ado Manipur hek lakbadagi di visit kumba and related to tourism ade akoigi history ge bangarang kangla da chale akoi shoot tawe adagi kangla gi matang da kangla haibase dry ground haibani haibase ngarang tang learn tawe ai bawada so it's a learning process for not just me for everyone else akoi pumna makioina aduga aingon da voice over so tawhale Manipur gi kitang related oiba pot haidi mingumba leidana nongdala ren pakhangba adu kanano habse moina learn toba adu mamam dugi chances to phange and I must say this is a really great opportunity not just me for the girls and not just for the girls Femina Miss India ka ke group sikak natana ne akoi gi Manipur gi oina su it's a great opportunity also ngasi akoi ne lai se Little Flower School Manipur gi amna prominent oiba khwaidagi one of the best school highway aba kaino school amadane and angang sing akoi gi satra sing moiga interact over su phangjaye adagi and I'm akoi contestants sing se moina jagoi sabak akoi gi thoibi jagoi je tapna sarak ko hoba not just me I kitang nandan akoi pulap se pukap the cup like it was very you know home calling haibado adu minor feel tawhalle and I'm so thankful to the faculty member of Little Flower School aduga khetna bahaiba madi leite adubu akoina learn tawbagi process se Manipur da di yam hele haitare and we're looking forward to many more
Australia tapi bada kaya Little Flower School da lakpi watang da pi ngata dam school ni Femina itself si akoi women empowerment yang
correct correct
adu pi ngata dam school sida lakpakan sida masih itu experience
so nupi mo oiraga nangdi nupi ni si tawba yade nangdi nupi ni si tawba yade haibagi akoi gi no one has the right to say that to anyone adugi pot say like moina ma'am hoina sikitang Australia wa karanga mo haibada I said that adugi pot say Little Flower School dala akanda di seeing all these amazing students nupi ngakta pareng lepaga jagoi sabana saba isai sakbana sakpa and they have their own talent moina haizaba moina ngamzaba pumna makto akhoi da utlaga ka adu mayam do ubada I feel empowered moi khagnatana I feel empowered you know moi gi oiba band and then we have this cadet you know it's a very empowering moment not just for them for every one of us and Little Flower School say yamna so ai gi ichi gi school oirak panina it's like very closely tied to my heart and I'm so thankful that I got to be here
ngarang si kangla da chatmi na tapi ado kangla da chatpam tam sida Manipur yu ina di kangla se khoi ai gi hena secret do ba
yeah historic
mafom mo ko yu mafom sida yeng ba matam da khoi Manipur history se khai ni ta ko ngam mafom sida khoi lai ba contestants sing sida straight line kari di utongam kari
akhoi ge nong dalal pakhang bagi temple angau ba leidana chauna akhoi ge ibudo pakhang bagi adu da makhoi je kamaina khorum ge lai kar main khorum ge noi de kamain khorum ge Australia hain hang pakan daina la akhoi khorum ase na khoi par engle pham ma gane lai khorum me dagi jagoi khuthe ga haidi akhoi ge thoibi jagoi adum mam to loin mak tame and on top of that akhoi ge lai gi oiba laisang macha leibedo kai no haibedo su moina khangning bado yamna curious oibedo adu mayam do loin ma utpa phang hawe and I think
I don't know, the contestants are like very, very curious to learn and know about our culture, and which is akoigi oinadi amnasu laibak phabane haininge, and I'm so thankful for that.
ꯃꯇꯥꯡꯁꯤꯗ ꯍꯥꯏꯅꯤꯡꯉꯤꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯏꯟꯗꯤꯌꯥꯒꯤ
Thank you so much. Thank you.